send an email yesterday. You fired yesterday. No?
Who? What is this garbage?
Man, I cannot believe this.
Oh,
I just cannot believe it. You are the best fan of Giants, huh?
Number one. My good luck.
Can I have a list? I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Video being taken by...
Oh man, I'm so nauseous right now. Oh, my monitor too. Everything is blue.
Look at your seat. Look at your seat.
Oh God.
You're a Giant fan now, right?
Oh my God. This is horrible. This is horrible. I can't believe you guys. I gotta go. I'm going to meet without a list.
Yo, hold on. Yo, hold on, man.